Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by getting into a calm position because movement and stress skew readings. Sit upright with feet flat and rest for 5 minutes. Make sure your arm is at heart level. Once done, slide the cuff onto the bare upper arm, 2 to 3 centimeters above the elbow, with the tube centered over the artery. Power the monitor on and check battery or adapter. This ensures consistent inflation and accurate measurement when the device runs its automatic cycle. You press start and hold still because movement or talking creates artifacts in the reading. The cuff inflates and gradually deflates while sensors detect blood flow and pressure. This yields systolic, diastolic, and pulse values. After the first cycle, wait 1 minute and repeat. Taking 2 to 3 readings and averaging them reduces random variation and gives a truer picture of your blood pressure. Make sure to note the arm used and time of day for consistency across measurements. When finished, remove the cuff, power off, and immediately log the values with the time and which arm you used. Consistent records help track trends. If a reading looks unexpectedly high or low, rest quietly for 10 minutes and retake it, because temporary factors like caffeine or stress can spike results. If errors persist, make sure the cuff fits snugly, batteries are strong or adapter connected, and your arm is at heart level, correcting these fixes most common measurement problems.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.